السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي معايا عربية دي مرسيدس 205 سي 180. أنا شاكك في كنترول الموتور بسبب إن هو فيه فولت هنا. لو شلنا الفيشة بيبقى اوبن سيركت، ولو حطيناها بيبقى شورت سيركت. وجربنا واحد تاني نفس الكلام وقسنا السلوك دي كلها واصلة. هنجرب بكنترول تاني. Hello everybody, now I'm having this Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205. To tell you the full story, the mechanic took out the intake manifold. Some connectors are swapped. Also he swapped this connector with this one. Unfortunately, this connector could be installed here and this connector could be installed here. So now we have here a fault code. If we connect the connector, we will have a short circuit. If we disconnect it, we have an open circuit. Also here we have two wires. We check it. We are having power here, and the signal or the pulse width is connected here and nothing on the wiring. So if we go to scan the whole vehicle, we'll go to the engine controller. I suspect the engine controller, so we will see and program another one and we'll see what will happen. Now I will show you the fault code. At the beginning, raise fault code. Neglect all of those and clear fault memory. Switch ignition off for 5 seconds and back on. Okay. Ignition off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's on and okay. Raise. Okay. Now we have purge valve of the evaporative emission. Current, short circuit. Purge valve, short circuit, current. Switch over valve of bypass flap, charge air, current. Also short circuit, short circuit. Now look. This one is for evaporative. If we disconnect it and have a look again, here we are having, wait for the camera. Okay. Short circuit, short circuit. We unplug the purge valve. Clear fault memory. Okay. Now to read again. Purge valve, open circuit. This is an error. Now I will disconnect the switchover. Here it is a switchover. Okay. Unplug it. Okay. Now go back again. Clear. Okay. Open circuit for purge valve, and switchover valve has an electrical fault. We don't have short circuit anymore on both of them, the purge valve and switchover. So if you disconnect, you have an electrical problem for this one and this one. If you connect it, you have short circuit here. We replaced this one, same thing. Okay, so now I suspected the DME. Also, just to know, Here we have ignition power, and it's good. Also there, the wire with red and green, also here is having power. So we suspected the DME, and the other wire, the yellow one, is already have continuity here, and nothing with the wiring. We checked it. I checked it on WIS, and we have continuity. I think, as I remember, from bin 23 or don't remember exactly, but anyway, we have power, and the pulse width is connected here, and nothing on the wiring. So I suspected the DME or the engine controller. So here we have the original one. Also, the car starts successfully, but the turbocharger is not working. Look here, if we try to start the vehicle, the engine starts, but the car is not running good. So now I will take this DME out or engine controller out and try to clone it with FC200, and I will see what we will have next. Okay, here on the bench I'm having the original controller with 08 and the new one. I believe this one is newer, I'm not sure, but now I'm also connecting FC200. Then I will read everything from here and make a backup and write on that one. For sure, this control unit is FBS4, so we can't virginize or do anything. The only way we can do this till now is cloning. So we have to connect FC200 programmer or use any programmer. Then I will open the software of FC200, then type the part number of purge. Here we have to go to FC200. Okay, go to Mercedes Bosch, then 0261 S08785, 0261 S08785, 785, yes. MED 17.7.2, whatever. I will only make sure that all of them are TC 1797. Okay, we can choose W205, but it doesn't matter. For the engine M274. Okay, this one. Then go to platform. Then wiring diagram. Then we have to connect power, ground, power, CAN wires, and also communication wires here. Okay, the same as this direction. Now I will connect the pins, and I will connect the power and all of that stuff to FC200 and connect to this controller. Firstly, 08 is the original one and 09 is the new one. Now I will leave this one here and we'll connect to original one. And now on the original one, everything is connected as on this diagram to FC200, and also power is connected. So now I will close, then connect. Okay, go to test, new folder, M274 W205, this one, then original. Okay, then save the password, save. Okay, then read the flash, read p flash, go to read the flash, test this one, original, d flash, save, read p flash. I thought there is an option here for cloning or direct cloning, but I don't have it. Or maybe only we need to transfer these two files and is enough. We will see right now. Now we are making a backup from the original one, 08 controller. I hope that different part number will not affect the problem. Also here we have 06 and here we are having 07 on top, 09. Okay, now when I will wait for this file to be readed, then I will save it, then I will connect the newer one and make a backup from it and continue. Okay, now I'm having the new one connected to FC200 and we already have a backup from this one. This one we have a E flash and D flash. Now the new one is connected. Power is connected to FC200 and close, then connect. Okay, go to test. This one, new folder. New, then save, read the flash, test, new D flash, then save. Sorry for blurring. Read P flash. I will wait for this process to show you the full video. And to show you what we will see while loading the original files. I hope the car starts and the error could be erased. I'm not sure, but we will try and see what we will have next. Okay, now it finished reading. Go to test, new, then save pflash file here, then go to write pflash. Data is about to be written. This operation will override the original data of the ECU. Please ensure that the data is backed up. Whether to continue, yes. Go to original, the bigger file, pflash, then open, verify, yes. Connecting to the server to get the authorization code. Please ensure network goes smoothly and wait patiently for a moment. Here I have this one after the update of FC200 software. Verify authorization successfully and loading file loaded successfully, and here we have to go. Okay, this one's going too slow, but anyway, we have to wait, and I hope everything I hope the car starts and everything should be okay. I think this one will take too much time, so I will wait for this and come back again. Okay, now we will finish writing pflash file. Write that successfully and go to write dflash. Yes, make sure original dflash and open. Write that successfully. Okay, now we will install the 09 controller on the car, and we will see what will happen. Okay, now I installed the new controller to the car, and here is Xentry. Now I will turn the ignition on. We'll try to start the car, or no, I will go to diagnosis. Maybe I'm having a problem with, no. Okay. Go to error codes. I have too much codes. Clear. Okay. Actual values, error codes. Here we have too much codes. The connector, I think, is connected good. We'll try to start it. Okay. Maybe the connector is not connected well, or maybe the cloning is having an issue. Okay, we'll turn the ignition off and unplug the connector, unplug them again, and I will see. Okay, I unplugged these two connectors, and here I'm having the same errors for the new controller. Maybe this controller is not good, or maybe the difference on the hardware is making that issue. So I will look for a control unit with the same part number. Here I have the new controller, and I have these errors. I read them, and I have switchover valve, short circuit, purge valve, short circuit. Okay, if we go to clear fault memory, we can't do anything. For cloning, I will compare those numbers, and I will see if all of them same as the original one, so cloning will be okay, and maybe this controller, the new one, 091, is not good, or there is a difference on the hardware. Drive authorization. Drive authorization start enable. Serial number of drive authorization system. I think everything for the cloning is okay, but I can't 100%. I can't 100% judge it because I'm not able to start the engine. But here I think everything is okay. Only for cloning. Okay, I will now try to evaporative short circuit. Now it is unplugged, and also this connector is unplugged. I will connect them and look for the difference here. Switch over short circuit and purge short circuit. Go to clear fault memory. Still everything is the same, and it's not like the first one. Switch over operative. Okay. Plug this one. short circuit for the purge valve. On the older one, when I disconnect the purge valve, I have open circuit. Still short circuit. Okay, I will see. I will see what I will do. Okay, and here on EPC, I put the VIN of the car and went to electrical equipment, control units, and relay an engine compartment. And for the engine control unit, we have only 08 part number. We don't have anything else, so we have to get the same part number for the old control unit. Maybe the hardware is different.